My video guide is about removing the browser notifications coming from the site rplnd33.com. rplnd33.com is a website trying to encourage you into clicking on a special allow button supposedly to help you play the video. In reality, these pop-ups are deceptive because sometimes they also can tell you to click on allow to verify your age or to prove that you are not a robot. But all these messages by rplnd33.com are faulty and deceptive. You should not trust them. And you should not click on the allow button as they suggest. The point is that if the allow button is mistakenly clicked, the browser gets hijacked, you may be forwarded to some other junk pages, and because of that you may also start receiving a lot of advertisements in the right part of the screen. To remove these ads, go to the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions, then choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. Remove the malicious site from the list and other junk sites you might find here. And to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device to detect and eliminate such hidden threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.